All right, guys, I wanted to talk about just removing the resistor. Basically, I got the rod tail light out because we were doing other videos, but I want to show you one really cool. Check out the new laser etch logo. Pretty cool. But the point of the video is some people still ask, what are these little black things? So I'm going to show you what they are. So basically, this is what it looks like. You're going to get a little package of 4 of those guys in every kit. That's going to be our normal kit, our 35-1050 or our 35-1150. So what these are for is we do put the resistor in line for the original OEM guys that have halogen bulbs. But no matter what you have, if you have a taser or a J-scan, we just recommend you just omit this guy. So it gets super hot. That's why there's all these fins on these things, because they emit a lot of heat. Huge mistakes. Never do this. Never do this. Never do this. Okay, you want this thing, if you're keeping it, keep it away. You can use a 2-piece high temp, super high temp, double-sided tape. You can use machine screws. You can use a metal zip tie. You can put it inside the body as long as it's away from itself. But the easiest thing to do, they're just bullet connectors. So they just unplug. I'll just unplug on one end, both ends unplug. Just put this wherever you want it. Sell it to your friends. You're gonna grab these little black pellets and they're just gonna plug off the harness, okay? So that just keeps you out of the weather. So no dirt and rain and mud and stuff get in the harness, because electrical, you know, they don't like extra stuff. Dry, sealed is kind of the way to go. So that's the idea. So either a taser from Z Automotive, J-scan, I think the super chips thing will work too, but our favorite is the taser because you can do a whole bunch of really fun stuff with it, and there's lots of videos on taser. But that's kind of the quick little video on what those little black guys are and what do they do and why we like to omit the resistor. But like I said, you're welcome to use it. You're welcome to reset everything with it. But if I had my choice, I just omit it. Okay, and most of the customers omit it. But if you don't want to buy those extra things and you have a halogen bulb, just run it. Just keep it nice and safe out of the way. All right, that is that.